Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your AdMob account for payment settings, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your AdMob account for payment settings, begin by logging into your AdMob account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Payments section. In the Payments section, look for the Setup option and click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your payment information. Fill in the required fields, including your name, address, and payment method. Once you've entered your details, review everything to ensure it's correct. After confirming your information, save your changes. Now, look for a verification option related to your payment method. If you're using a bank account, you may need to wait for a verification deposit. Check your bank statement for a small deposit sent by Google. Once you see the deposit, return to your AdMob account. Enter the exact amount of the deposit in the verification field. If your payment method is a credit or debit card, follow the prompts to verify it. You may receive a temporary charge to your card that also needs to be confirmed. After successfully entering the verification amounts, submit the information. Wait for confirmation that your payment method is verified. This process can take a few hours to a couple of days, depending on the method. Once verified, return to the Payments section to check your account status. Congratulations! Your AdMob account is now ready for payment settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.